My name is Paris. I am a 12th grader now that goes to DSSD GVR. This is the iRing. So the iRing is comprised of an OLED from SparkFun, the programmer that's under it, and this accelerometer that's wired to many things. The OLED, I have this code that came from GitHub that I uploaded onto here through the programmer, and this accelerometer. So what it basically does is this code will tell it to do certain things. So if I say this would be a simulated tap, it would just go through a word list. Or if I double tap it, it'll go for Pong. Now, Pong is a little bit hard to play since I can't really tilt it, but you get the gist. I think that's it. Oh no, I lost. I've encountered many problems with this, considering the fact that this is not supposed to be milestone number 1. This is milestone number 1 2.0. Milestone number 1 original was to have everything put together, and considering the fact that I had to go through over hills, under mountains, I had to move the ocean and all these things to get to where I am right now, we'll call this milestone number 1. Originally did put it together. I had everything soldered together correctly, but for some strange reason it would not work. The reason for that is no clue. The first time around I unsoldered it, rewired everything to make sure everything was fine. I changed out all the wires, resoldered everything, but that didn't fix the problem. So I was like, okay, what's wrong with it? The battery maybe. So we test the battery's fine. Then I test the LED with the Arduino board in it, that was fine. And then so I was like, oh, well, maybe it's the accelerometer. And I spent the last about 2 days trying to figure out why this accelerometer wasn't working. Come to find, it was just faulty wire. I had to change the code from GitHub because it was too large. So I had to delete some portions and fix the code to make sure that everything was syntax ready. And, well, this giant mess of just... On the bright side, I did learn a few things. I learned that you should probably check your wiring, how to speak more in the Arduino language. Second milestone is to have everything soldered together and have it work.